Hi kids, welcome to Sarda Pathsala. Today we will discuss about colors, names and spellings. Let's start the video. Red, R-E-D, red. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Grey, G-R-A-Y, grey. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.